As a manufacturer and exporter of tissue paper machinery in China, we focus on research and innovation for many years. Our products include toilet paper and kitchen towel production line. There are rewinding machines, cutting machines, single-roll wrappers, and bundling packing machines, facial tissue and hand towel production line that contains folding machines, cutting machines, single-bag packing machines, and bundling packing machines, and other household tissue paper machines, which are exported to Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, Europe, and America. With full independent intellectual property rights, Zode machinery has obtained international ISO 9001 certificate. We are continuously investing basic research to meet the ever-changing market and special needs from clients. With strong research and development capacity and technology supports, we are able to supply our customers not only high-quality product, but also special design services. With many years of experience in supplying tissue paper machines, we can provide solutions to customers from products choosing, designing, installing, and training according to customers' requirements. We provide outstanding technical services to seamlessly integrate product solutions into our customers' factories. From upfront engineering to ongoing technical support, our designs are focused on meeting the regulations of human and product safety, as well as the environment in every market that we serve. Our customer service and advanced technology have been widely recognized throughout the world.